Hello, in this video, we will provide an overview of the support for Validation Criterion 2, which has been added to the Automotive Assessments Workflow as required by the Euro NCAP Far-Side Virtual Testing Protocol. Validation Criterion 2 involves the calculation of two ratios, RSE test and RSE sim. Each one is the ratio between the given injury metric and its limit as specified in Table 7 of the protocol. For each injury metric, the difference between simulation and test ratios, DAC, is then calculated. To pass validation criterion 2, all the differences must be less than 30%. Let's see how to use this added functionality in the automotive assessments workflow through a short demo. If you selected the Farsight plus VDC crash test in Primer, then when you open automotive assessments in THIS, you will be presented with this window. Here you can input and select a test model and choose the assessments you want to carry out. You can import a test model using the import ISOMME/CSV button. The test model can be ISOMME data or CSV format data. Once imported, you can choose which model to use as a test model from this combo box. The selected model will be used as a test model for all the models which are imported into the tool. To perform any assessment, you can select the body part and the corresponding assessment type that you wish to evaluate, and then press plot. For demo, let's do lumbar assessments. Once the assessment evaluations are done, graph will be plotted and the validation criterion 2 ratio and differences will be displayed in the output table, as you can see now. Now let's see how to interpret the output table data. The selected assessment, that is lumbar shear, lumbar axial, and lumbar torsion, will be carried out for both the models, M1 and T1, with T1 used as a test model for both the models. RSE sim value calculation is carried out for all the occupants except for those where the assessment model is same as the test model. Appropriate hold text will be available for cells where RSE sim was not evaluated, as you can see now. RSE test value calculation is carried out for all the occupants. Whatever model is selected in the combo box will be used as a test model, T1 in this case. Therefore, RSE test value for a particular assessment type will be same for all the models. The RSE test cells should have a hover text showing the AC limit value for that particular assessment, as specified in Table 7 of the protocol. DAC value will only be evaluated if RSE sim is calculated and RSE test is greater than or equal to 0.5. If DAC value is less than 0.3, cell will be filled with green. Otherwise, it will be filled with red. This highlights whether the model passes the VC2 criteria for a particular assessment type or not. Through this demo, we have seen how to evaluate VC2 ratios and interpret the results. For further details, please refer to our manuals. To automate this process, we have created a VC2 reporter template as well. Please check out the corresponding burst video to know more about that. Thank you for watching.